For the E-wrap cast on, I like to start with a slip knot on my needle just so I don't lose anything. So you're going to have your needle and yarn in your left hand with your tail pointing down. The working yarn, you're going to take your finger and point it towards you and stick it under the yarn. Then you're going to turn your finger away from you and create a loop. Bring the needle through that loop and pull to secure. Again, point towards you, point away from you, put the needle in, pull. Remember to keep a little space so your cast on isn't super tight. Take, point towards you, point away, keep going. So once you've finished that, once you get the number you need, you're already set to begin your first row. Bring your yarn to the back if you're knitting, to the front if you're purling, and you're all set. So that is the E-wrap cast on. It'll give you kind of a little loopy edge. I'm Deja with knit and crochet ever after.com, and thank you for watching.